Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Hyundai Tucson Active X, stock reference number 7397. This shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 1st month 2021. It has a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left guard has no dents, does have clear peeling off. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents and a previous repair. Left rear door has a large dent and a crease. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre or left hand side step. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Rear bumper cover does have a few scuffs and scratches and paint chips. Tailgate has 1 small dent. Right tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right side step, right rear door has no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, auto fold type. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.